This is our kitchen. This is what it looks like now. This is our totes of food. This is what we're living out of now. These totes. And a microwave, that's it. Last night I got all the floor swept and mopped. Yeah, we still have the refrigerator, the good one. This is where the stove used to be. We got a new hose for it. Up there's a vent for the furnace. We took the vent off of it so we can wash it. There it is right there. This is all mine attached bathroom supplies. Got all of our supplies right there. Not that plastic picture though. Then over here, this is a box of Ralph's important papers. Don't know what to do with them yet. And this is those are some atlas or maps. Here's another box of food and odds and ends. This is a box of seasonings with 2 bags of chips. This is all our Ziploc baggies right there. This got some stuff in it. This got some stuff in it. But this is our house. Okay, everybody. Talk to you later.